Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Oculus Quest 2, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Oculus Quest 2, start by removing the headset and accessories from the box. Ensure that your phone is charged and ready for the setup process. Download the Oculus app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Oculus app once it's installed. Sign in with your Oculus account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Turn on your Oculus Quest 2 by pressing and holding the power button. Put on the headset and follow the on-screen instructions. Select your language preference. Connect to your Wi-Fi network by choosing it from the list and entering the password. Once connected, the headset will check for software updates. Follow any prompts to install updates if necessary. Next, adjust the fit of the headset for comfort and clarity. Use the sliders to adjust the lens distance and ensure clear visuals. Select your play area by choosing between sitting, standing, or room scale options. If choosing room scale, set up your boundary by holding the controller and tracing the area around you. Once your boundary is set, you will see a grid that indicates your play space. You can customize your Guardian settings to suit your preferences. Next, the tutorial will guide you through the basic controls of the headset and controllers. Follow along and familiarize yourself with the buttons and functions. Finally, explore the Oculus home environment to discover available apps and experiences. Enjoy your new Oculus Quest 2 and dive into the world of virtual reality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.